Welcome to the FreedomCare app. Today, let's walk through how to redeem InstaPay. First, let's go over some important eligibility requirements. To be eligible for InstaPay, you must clock in and out for your visits using the FreedomCare app. You must also have a Rapid Card linked to receive your payment. For Rapid Card questions, please contact your care coordinator. Failure to clock in and out daily during your scheduled time may result in your visit not being eligible for same-day redemption. Step 1. Log into the app using your caregiver code and password. Step 2. On the main screen, you'll see the My Payroll button. Go ahead and tap it. Step 3. On this screen, you will see 3 options. Go ahead and tap the InstaPay for Care button. Step 4. You'll see a list of visits eligible for InstaPay. Only visits that meet the clock-in and clock-out compliance standards will appear here. If any visits are missing due to clock-in or clock-out issues, they will not be available for redemption. On this screen, you will also be able to look at your previously redeemed visits this week. Tap on the History tab to view. To continue redeeming, select the visits you want to redeem. For this example, I want to redeem these 3 visits. Then tap Redeem at the bottom. For Step 5, review the details of your redemption request. If everything is correct, tap the Caregiver Signature button. Step 6, go ahead and sign your name, then tap Save. Step 7, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap Redeem to complete your request. You have now successfully redeemed your InstaPay visits.